Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, you might need to move your Stellar tokens from one exchange to another. Today, I'm walking you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to send Stellar from Kraken to Robinhood. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your assets secure. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and Robinhood, and that you've enabled two-factor authentication for extra security. It's 2025, so platforms might have updated interfaces, but the basics remain the same. Start by logging into your Kraken account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets, or Assets, section and find your Stellar balance. Next, you'll need to initiate a withdrawal. Select Stellar from your wallet list, then click on the Withdraw option. Kraken will ask for the destination address. Don't worry, we'll get that from Robinhood. Now, switch over to your Robinhood app or website. Go to your portfolio, find Stellar, and look for the deposit or receive address. Copy that address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Back on Kraken, paste the Robinhood address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Stellar you want to send, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion. Review all the details one last time: address, amount, and fees, then hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transaction should process within a few minutes to an hour, depending on the Stellar network. A quick word of caution: always verify addresses to avoid sending funds to the wrong place. That's irreversible in crypto. Also, check for any platform-specific fees on Kraken or Robinhood. Once it's done, log into Robinhood to confirm your Stellar has arrived. There you go. That's how you transfer Stellar in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy out there.